I'm going to try and show you within the next 80 seconds how I created the core elements of this dance pop guitar based beat. Cool, so firstly I started by playing a bit of guitar, which sounds like this. And then I went for the kick drum. The kick drum is just really simple, 4 to the floor. And then I did a bit of hi-hats and some claps. And then the bass is just following the chord pattern, simple notes. I put some chords, some synth chords, different sounds and different frequencies. And they sounded like this to begin with. Which sounds pretty rubbish, but if you sidechain the kick to that, it sounds much, much better. So use kick start, I sidechain it to there and it goes like this. Gives it that bouncy effect. And the final thing I want to quickly show is another little instrument, higher frequency. I really like that. I added loads of effects to make it sound like that. Can't go into details now, but let's just show the whole thing together. There you go.